You look like an Uber driver.
Oh, for fuck off. Can't get in the car.
What have we got?
Gutter rashed wheels.
Gutter rashed wheels. Loves it. So Alex is angry at me because he reckons he might need the spacer, and I reckon just slap the wheels on without it. And if it doesn't work, then I'm probably going to have to buy him some food or something because it's my fault. I think he's coming now. On a scale of 1 to angry, how angry are you at me?
Pretty annoyed because you never miss it.
Beautiful. Oh, here we go. Let's go. Alright, try it without it. And you can't see the wheels yet. Okay, so we've gone to go get spacers. It's not happening.
Shortcuts!
Oh my god. Look both ways.
Good news.
Did you find them?
20 wheels.
20?
I thought that was 25.
Oh, well now we're gonna fit, aren't we?
Fuck, I haven't used these in
Long time.
a long time. I actually have them for sale. I've got to take them off now.
This?
Yes, spot on.
Okay, it's pretty good. So we've stepped it back a bit in time. We've resorted for the old school methods for reasons to not be explained.
Go find my socket.
Actually, I'll just explain it. Let's go find a socket. So this bloody merda here, wanna snap. So now we're just trying another method, and we've gone for the 20 mils on the front, and the 20 mils pretty much perfect. So now we're going to put the front spacers on the rear, so they're 35s. So we're either going to be poking or we're going to be laughing. And if we're poking, and Alex is just going to go, he might go do a nudie run on the tennis court. Starting to camber. Ooh. Is that down?
It's down all the way.
That's a bee's dick.
It's on the guard.
No, you're just missing it.
So I figured I'd get a trim then.
3 days later.
So here he is. He's on the stands.
I'll do the bunny hop, bunny ease, crisscross. That's harder for kids. I don't understand.
Yeah, I never learned how to tie my shoes like that.
I don't know.
I do mine differently.
I can't do it because I got knots in my laces.
What's your hat say? Virgin Island. Oh, no.
Does it actually?
Yeah, it does.
Does it actually?
Yeah, it does.
What the fuck? It's got to look cool. I didn't read it.
Look, just a little bit of stretch, but not too much. Doesn't even look stretched. It looks perfect.
Yeah.
That's pretty... Yeah, that's a lot better than the other night.
I hope it's enough. It should be. Do I need to agitate this at all?
It would be good to, if you got a brush.
I don't have a brush.
Look at that. Look how filthy that is already. Nah, these what are they, Alex?
Stern face 2s.
Stern face 2.
So they were a Japanese wheel. And they went out of production in 1993. I think they got bought out by someone else, and then they just stopped making them. They've got mad gutter rash, but they're 3-piece, so I can always
We can change the lips.
change the lips.
So potential for a rebuild, which is awesome.
Wow.
Ow! Get.
I was looking over those videos that we took the other night, and I really do look like an Uber driver. Like an Indian one.
Yeah.
Fuck, tripped. I think so. You know, like those movies where like there's like a haunted mansion and there's the master, and then you've got the slave with the hunchback.
Yeah.
That's what you look like.
Because I've got my hunchback on.
Because you're leaning over.
Oh.
You're just like, here, sir, take this for me.
I am leaning. Yeah, you can have. You can have.
It's like a cartoon.
Like a crab. I can fit a finger in there now. I can fit a finger in there.
Are you sure?
Yeah, look. Up to about that point.
Okay.
Missed it by that much.
Okay, everybody, that's a wrap.